Chroma key. You might have seen this effect on TV or in movies, when actors are shot against a solid color screen that later is replaced by a different background, either footage or photo. You can create your own video with the same effect using Movavi Video Editor. This tutorial will show you how. Step 1. Open the Movavi Video Editor program. If the software is not already installed on your computer, click here to download the free version and follow the tutorial steps. Step 2. Import media files to the program. Click the Add Media Files button and import two media files. The first one with a solid background color and the second one with necessary background picture or video which you want to add to the first file. Both files will be added to the video track on the timeline. Step 3. Set up Chroma key effect. First, select the foreground video on the timeline, drag it upwards and drop it on the overlay track, leaving the background clip below on the main track. Then double-click the foreground video. Choose Chroma key from the list. Click the green box near the list and then click on the solid background of the video in the preview screen. Adjust the tolerance and border smoothness sliders so that the background video or photo is clearly visible. Click Apply. That's all! Make magic videos with Movavi Video Editor. Download the free version and give it a try today. Like the video? Have a question? Please leave us a message in the comment section below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more useful tips and learn about the other Movavi products.